Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case you can buy Amazon. The Galaxy Tab S8 is a sleek and stylish tablet that offers users a variety of entertainment options. The device is also quite fragile, so it is important to protect it with a high-quality case. In this video, we will explore the best cases for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. These cases are made from different materials and offer various levels of protection. Some offer shock absorption, while others have reinforced corners to protect against falls. All these cases are available on Amazon, so you can shop at your convenience. The Galaxy Tab S8 is a high-end tablet with a large screen and many features. It's important to protect this device from damage and keep it looking new. The best Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra cases will have a slim profile, offer durable protection, be easy to install and remove, and not add bulk to the tablet. When it comes to buying a case for your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, you have a lot of options. From slim and sleek to heavy duty, there are many cases that will work for your needs. The key is knowing what you want from your case in order to find the best one for you. The first step is deciding what material you want the case to be made out of. If you're looking for something lightweight and slim, then look for a silicone or polycarbonate case. These are great if you plan on carrying it around in your bag or purse often, because they don't add much weight or bulkiness. If you need more protection from drops and other impacts, then go with a hard plastic or metal case. These cases will offer better protection, but may be heavier and thicker. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research on new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Ajaytong Seg. When it comes to looking for a case, you want it to be slim and sleek, lightweight, and give you full access to ports. Don't worry. We've got you covered. With a beautiful design and sturdy construction, the Ajaytong case is the perfect solution for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Not only does it have a sleek and thin profile, this product is designed for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It has a flip stand design, which can set your tablet at a comfortable viewing angle. The case is made of high-quality PU leather and hard PC material, which will protect your tablet against scratches, dust and other damages. What do you want for your new tablet? Something to protect it from scratches, dirt, and dust? Something to make it look more professional? Or something to make it stand on its own and help with your entertainment needs? If you want all of these great things and more, then this case is for you. Durable and stylish, this case will take care of all your needs. It also provides a free screen protector sticker and a protective pen. Number 4. Ajaytong's Eye. Give your tablet the protection it needs with this Ajaytong tablet case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case stand covers Eye. This case features a soft and durable grip while also providing excellent protection. It protects your tablet from drops, bumps, and scratches while maintaining the sleek look of your tablet. This case is made with high-quality PU leather and a hard TPU inner casing. The raised lip around the screen and cutouts on the sides of the case ensure that your favorite tablet can be used without worry. The magnetic closure on this case ensures that it stays closed when not in use, and it's slim, lightweight, and easy to transport. Protect your tablet from scratches, fingerprints, dirt and other unwanted blemishes with the ultra-thin and sleek cover. The cover can fold back to create a stand for viewing or typing. And the cover doubles as a screen protector to keep your touch screen safe from harm. This case also features a built-in stand that allows you to watch movies, browse websites, or read ebooks with comfort. With easy-to-use magnetic closure system and built-in stand, you can comfortably watch videos or browse the internet. Number 3. Belay. Stop worrying about your Tab S8 Ultra breaking or getting scratched. Belay Tab S8 Ultra case will protect your tablet without adding any much weight to the tab. The cover case is designed to be used in 2 different positions, while it can also be used as a stand for reading. The cover can also be folded back to transform it into a 180-degree hand-free stand. This Belay tablet case is specially designed to protect and perfectly fit your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It has a built-in auto-wake sleep function, so the tablet wakes up from sleep mode when the case is opened and goes back to sleep mode when the case is closed. The inner lining of the tablet case is made of premium PU material, which protects against dirt and sweat and prevents your screen from scratching. Stable stand function support with 2 angles of use allows to easily alternate between different occasions. Perfect for writing and watching. Made of high-quality synthetic leather. Premium synthesized leather exterior and soft interior to prevent scratches. 0.100% brand new lightweight ultra slim unique decent design. Soft microfiber interior and premium synthetic leather exterior perfectly protects Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra against scratches. Protective case precise cutouts with full access to all controls and feature. The sleek design and well-designed cutouts will let you enjoy all the features of your tablet without having to worry about the device's safety. Number 2. KP Technology. If you are looking for a cover case that provides ultimate protection to your device, KP Technology is the perfect solution. Made of premium leather and a polycarbonate shell, this case has a 360-degree rotating design to offer all-round protection. The Smart Folio offers a 360-degree rotating swivel with 2 folding kickstands for viewing and typing. Additionally, it also has a Bluetooth keyboard with hand protection for maximum convenience. The KP Technology case for Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 14.6-inch 2022 is made of pool leather. The leather case is perfect for those who love staying on the go and constantly using their mobile device. Keeping your phone tablet protected has never been easier with this stylish and protective leather case from KP Technology. Easily adjust your tablet to the most comfortable angles and enjoy hands-free watching and FaceTime. Premium synthetic leather exterior, soft microfiber interior lining and hard PC back shell design protects your device against fingerprints and daily scratches. Built-in magnetic strip provides auto sleep wake-up feature. Easy and convenient to use. Magically awakens your device when the screen flap is flipped open and sends your device into sleep when the screen flap is closed. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Official. The Samsung Galaxy Official Tab S8 Ultra Protective Standing Cover offers a shock-absorbing cover for your tablet. The cover has an adjustable stand that props the tablet so you can easily view it in landscape or portrait orientation. The case is designed to protect the tablet from everyday wear and tear. Get up to 5% off today with this great Samsung Galaxy Official Tab S8 Ultra Protective Standing Cover. Best case for Tab S8 features a raised edge to keep the screen from scratching or touching the ground and an inner silicone layer for shock absorption. Protect your phone and experience all the Samsung Galaxy Official Tab S8 Ultra has to offer. Keep your new Galaxy Tab S8 protected with this official Samsung Galaxy Protective Standing Cover. The cover will protect your tablet from drops, scratches and spills. The cover is made of rubber and fits securely over the back of the tablet, while the invisible magnetic closure keeps the front of the protective case clean. You can still access all your important buttons while they're protected, and it folds into a stand for typing or watching videos. Official protective standing cover from Samsung will enable you to keep your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra fully protected. Automatically wakes your tablet when you open the case and puts your tablet to sleep when you close the case.